Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey gorgeous people, how are we all? I hope you're all well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Fiona. It's so lovely to meet you. I'm a little bit dressed up for today's video, which is a home bargains and B&M haul video. And if I'm being completely honest, I didn't pick up a lot, but I picked up some good bits that I thought would be good to share for Valentine's Day, buying some gifts, gift inspo, and just some home bargains and B&M bits that I wanted to pick up this time round. I love seeing what other people pick up from the bargain shops, and that is the agenda for today's video. I'm just showing you what I picked up and just a bit of fun. It's not that big of a haul, but I wanted to film today. I hope you're all well and share some positivity. I have been at my goals, guys. I've been reading consistently every single day, going on into my goal setting video. If you haven't already seen that, then I'll link it down below. But let's get straight on into today's video, showing you everything that I got and just some lovely bits for Valentine's Day. So if you're excited, then please smash a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every Sunday. Lifestyle, hauls, fashion and positivity. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get straight on into this haul. So let's start off with home bargains first. Like I said, there isn't a ton of stuff in, but I really like the Valentine's Day stuff that they did have in. First thing being this decorate your own gingerbread love heart. It says be mine on it. How cute. It comes with icing and some sprinkles. I thought it would be a really cute activity to do, put on a plate, and yeah, I just thought they were so cute. It says be mine on it, and you get 4. It is the 20th of January right now, and these do last until, because they're gingerbread, they last until April. So that gives you a good time to actually use these before Valentine's Day and actually on Valentine's Day, because they're gingerbread, they'll last long. So that was very, very cute. Also, I picked up from there this Valentine's Day card. It's got a little chocolate on it. It says be mine, Valentine's Day for Shane. Thought it was just a cute little card. Oh my god, this is another Valentine's Day card with 2 giraffes on it. It says happy Valentine's Day. It was only 59p, side by side, you and me. I got 2. Why did I get 2? I could be like, Shane, do you want one of these Valentine's Day cards? But that's really cute, and it's got little giraffes on it, and it was like 59p. That's really, really good. And then I picked up this You're the Best Mum I Could Ever Ask For, Happy Mother's Day for Mother's Day. Just a cute little card set. I thought that was really cute. It's got some Mother's Day bits in there. For Mother's Day gifts, I picked up this mug, and it says Best Mum Ever on it. It's got rainbows, little polka dots. It's a really cute little mug that I know she'll like. In home bargains as well, they had so many ranges of gift sets, from bath stuff to luxury goods to notepads and pens, and they also had these. Depending on who you're buying for, you can buy so many gift sets from there. I picked up this. It just says mums just want to have funds. My mum loves saving £2, so I thought this was super cute. I think it was only like, I think it was something 80p or to £1, I can't remember. I was like, oh, it's so cute. It's half pink, half white. Really cute detailing. I know it's just a tin, but for someone like my mum, and I know her so well, she'll love this. So some really cute gift sets in there. Depending who you're buying for, there's so many to choose from. Then for my nan, I got this cute little C pen. I'm gonna buy some flowers, and everyone like little chocolate goods, and it's like a small present, but I just thought I'd pick this up as well as a little tiny present that says C on it for my nan. Yeah, really cute. I know she'll appreciate this because she loves writing in her little diary. And then the last thing I got from home bargains was the Mrs. Hinch Febreze Air Mist. This is the frosted pine and eucalyptus. Oh my god, if you haven't smelt this range, I got the washing liquid. I can't remember if I shared it in a haul, but I got the washing up liquid in this scent, and it's so nice. Oh, it's just such a lovely fresh scent. And if I show you my B&M haul, I really wanted to get another product which was this scent, and I wish I did, but I'll get it next time. But yeah, I really wanted a new air mist. We're running out of our current one, which is the sugar plum one, which is like the purple bottle. But yeah, a lovely fresh scent. If you love a fresh scent, want your home to smell clean and magical, it's just a really, really lovely scent. So moving on to B&M, I didn't actually pick up a B&M bag, but I obviously got B&M bits. I just carried them to the car. saving pennies on those bags. I picked up first of all the Lenore. This is the daffodil and vanilla flavour spring edition conditioner. I picked this up as a new sort of scent to try because you know that I love the Lenore Chic, the Lenore Happy, the Lenore Love. I saw this, so this was the product that I was like, should I get this one or should I get the Mrs. Hinch one? I wish I got it, but I want to try this scent out because the vanilla, yeah, that's really, really lovely. I think all the Lenore scents are lovely. So yeah, Lenore Daffodil and Vanilla Flower. I picked this up. Just a fabric conditioner. I love the Lenores. I would always rave about them. They make your clothes smell absolutely beautiful. Next up, I picked up the In Wash Scent Boosters by Lenore. This is again the Mrs. Hinch Frosted Eucalyptus scent. I thought I'd pick up these just to give that sort of scent boost with the vanilla, because I thought vanilla and frosted eucalyptus would be nice. Just give an overall really nice fresh scent. If this comes off in my clothes as nice as it smells just from the packaging, which the packaging is actually recyclable, it's made out of cardboard now, then my washing is going to be so lovely. I'm really excited whenever I buy new washing bits so my clothes smell lovely. Love that. I can't wait until summer as well, just so you can actually use the sun to dry out your clothes faster. That's such an adult thing to say. But yeah, really like the smell of these, absolutely gorgeous. Then I picked up a Scrub Mummy by the Scrub Daddy brand. I picked up another one of these because we actually bought one last week and it's already started tearing. So I thought, is it just like that one? Has it got a fault or anything? Because my ones of these before had the cat one. Oh, I love the cat one, it's so cute. But they're so handy, so I thought I'd pick up another one just in case. It's dual-sided, scratch-free, dishwasher safe, deep cleaning, and it has a versatile smell so you can clean your spoons and everything in there. It's just so easy to use because one side's really hard, and depending on if you're using it with hot or cold water, it goes really soft. I just find them really good for cleaning. I prefer them to the Dish-O-Matic. I don't know what it is, I just like getting my hands in there, washing up. We don't have a dishwasher, so these are really handy. And yeah, so last but not least, I did say it's going to be a small haul, but in B&M they did have lots of bits on sale. I think January they're just trying to get bits off the shelves. They had so many makeup organisers, they had canisters for your tea, coffee, sugars, they had loads of storage boxes, bits on sale, they had mugs on sale, so definitely go to B&M if you're looking for a few January sales. But I picked up this gorgeous duvet set. So in my current bedroom I'm definitely going for more of like a cosy wood vibe, cozy feels, beige neutrals with hints of black tones. I actually mentioned in my last video about my room transformation. We've got new carpet at the minute. I will do a vlog in my next video about the updates, but I picked up this bedding because I thought it would be so complimentary for what I'm going for. It was £20, and what sold me was this gorgeous texture. It's sort of like this ribbed, woven, sort of like crinkle effect texture, and it has tie ends, so when you tie up your bedding you'll have little tie ends instead of buttons. So I thought this was very spa-like. I really like the picture as well, a bit more of a closer one. It comes with 2 pillowcases. It is the Reuben duvet set in double, includes a duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. And yeah, I really like the ties on it. Super spa, super cozy, the vibes that I'm going for. So I'm really excited to put this on my bedding. But that is everything that I got in today's video. I know it was a small little haul from Home Bargains and B&M, but I definitely recommend Home Bargains for the Valentine's Day bits, and B&M if you want to go see the duvet covers for one, but also the little sales that they have on. Definitely the Mrs. Hinch range was amazing. And yeah, I'm really excited to put on my new bedspread, give you an update with how the room transformation is coming on in my next video, how to make your space more cozy. I 100% feel like this room feels more cozy, and there's so much more open space that I can do with this room. And what I'm going to do going forward, like I said, with my mirror plans and what is next to come. And I've also got some updates on my goals, and I'm going to put that all into another little vlog, which is hopefully going to be more exciting, and I hope you enjoy it as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next one. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.